Hi everyone! So we're now down to our fourth dance step, which is a crossover. So we had dip, then the basic, then the double, and then now we're going to have a crossover. The pattern, which is in, cross. Again, I'm going to be doing it or performing it in a slower version and then on tempo. Ready? All right, so I'm going to show you the cross. So this is how it looks like. In, cross, in, out, in, cross, out. There you have it. That's the slower version. Now let's do the fast one. On tempo. In, out, 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 up, out, up. I hope you'll enjoy this crossover dance step. Good luck!